Wahala no dey finish oh. Them just arrest Omoyele Sowore, wey all of us know as one Nigerian activist. Now this man go protest for Unity Foundation fountain for Abuja. He go there say that they protest against this whole kidnapping wey dey happen for Nigeria. Now there we hear say they shoot am for leg. Make una watch this video.
Shot by a CSP of Nigerian Police Office of Nigerian Police Force. Shot me on my thigh.
On his leg.
Yes, on my thigh. Just
Sowore
now.
has been shot on his leg. Please break the news. Sowore has been shot on his leg. Break the news. Yes.
Just focus on
We're heading to the hospital now. Masha, what's the name of the officer?
Hello? Send me enough data. Send me enough data.
The protest is taking place at Unity Fountain, but the police have been there now to disperse people.
These people go here. They are live. No, nobody should.
Una don see this thing? See as Biana bullet, Biana waiting. But as I dey look this thing, I no sure say gun fit dey comot smoke. If they shoot person, say gun go dey comot smoke like this. I dey feel say maybe this thing fit be tear gas or something. But he don go in social media page say na one police woman na him shoot am. This woman sef now dey talk say she no know anything about this shooting o. Say she no even near am sef, talk lots of say she shoot am. But people sef wey dey there talk say e be like say somebody, one police officer, throw tear gas. Now the cover abi the canister of that tear gas thing now be like say na him come tear Sowore for body o, but him dey claim say the gun shoot am. Una don see this video now as they dey carry am, dey waka up and down, they don't even carry am go hospital. But now in state of in condition, we never even know whether na bullet enter or abi the bullet just pass through. We never even know wetin dey happen for him health like this. But as e be like this, him dey for hospital, nothing dey do am. They dey take care of am. They don already carry am go one hospital for Abuja for there. Then the people sef wey dey even protest at some point, they no even want am there because e be like say they dey always target this Sowore. All of us know am say the time of this, him dey always protest. Even Goodluck tell us sef, him say Goodluck too weak. Now you don see strong president, they don shoot you now, you dey complain. You sef rest now. Na only you dey this Nigeria. This man sabi carry Nigeria matter for head. Na only am, they don put am for jail reach. For 1992, na him still go protest about Nigeria, say Nigeria no good. As you see say the things wey you dey do sef, you no dey favour you, they wan kill you. Leave am now. Leave the country, make the country be like this, because this thing wey you dey do now, some people they still dey support this Buhari. They no dey even see the good in wetin you dey do. They still feel say you dey do wetin you dey do now over sabi. Say you sef, because of say you wan become president, na make you sef dey do all this kind thing. Me, I go advise say make you sef go rest, because sooner or later one day they fit just even try to kill you. To carry Nigeria matter for head, e no easy. This one wey you dey do, you dey really try. In fact, I dey really commend you. For those of us wey dey back, wey be say we no fit go front go support abi protest, the only thing wey we go fit do na to dey support am. Some people dey see am say him do pass like this, him do pass like this for Goodluck tenure. Yes, we fit see am say Goodluck the time wey him dey him own tenure, things different. But this Buhari tenure, him own don even over worst. So people suppose come out come complain. So this complaint now wey dey complain, I no see the need wey be say if na true gun, no person go come carry gun say they dey shoot am. So people no get right to speak their mind again. But with the looks of things, I no sure say this thing na really gun. I dey look say if it be tear gas, because if na gun This kind wood wey in the show, the thing no go, the thing for don't even enter. Maybe by now they go to show us operation of how they take comot this thing. So make himself suffer the lie, because this thing just be like himself just want talk, make people follow am, make people support am. Now so I dey see this matter and the thing sef even resemble plan work, because if you watch this video well, it be like say na among the men, na one person I just throw this tear gas, him come fall down intentionally, come do like say the thing don touch am for leg. All these things sef, all of us know politicians and their kurukere ways, they are 419 too much. As this matter be like this, I no even know as I want to judge am, but make una comment on herself no show well. This kind matter wey don carry for head, like make him leave am abi make him continue, because this whole shooting of a gun thing no be today, they don arrest am, no be today him dey do all this kind thing. Make him just go rest, make another person sef carry this Nigeria matter for head. Upon all this thing wey they do sef, you go surprise if you contest for election, nobody go still vote for you. Atiku wey dey for London dey rest, na him dey go still come even vote for. Abi somebody wey be say in dey house dey sleep, abi Tinubu wey dey house dey sleep dey rest. You wey dey carry this problem, Nigerians we dey very ungrateful, we may not even vote for you. So I go advise you, sit down for your house, rest. If Nigerians need you, they go call you. If they don't need you, they go leave you. As this matter be like this now, make una comment anything wey una feel about this matter, make una write am for the comment section, as I go dey reply to all una messages. Make una no forget to like, share and also subscribe to this channel, as I go dey see una for our next story. Hey, this kind matter shock me e get one woman wey don marry now for more than 20 years she say she wan leave her husband go marry Holy Spirit. In fact, I never hear this kind word before. Holy Spirit na human being wey you wan go marry. The way people go just sit down. In fact, God suppose dey create some people, explain to us say this kind person na like this e be, before e even give you out to your husband. This Kenyan woman now wey they call Elizabeth Nalem shock everybody as she prepare say she wan really take vows with Holy Spirit. In fact, if you see the kind party wey she do, make una watch this video.
Residents of Kapenguria attended this wedding in numbers, perhaps in awe of its uniqueness. Here, the bride, Elizabeth Salem, was wedding a spirit, the Holy Spirit, one considered divine according to the Christian doctrine.
Nikafunga kila kitu nikasaa hata watoto. Kwa sababu huyu Mungu watu ameimba dunia mzima na kuna mtu amewahi pata habari yake. Lakini mimi ndio moja ninaweza kupata hii habari ya Yesu.
The bride in question was previously married and a mother of 6 children. She dressed in a white gown complete with a veil, revealing her flawless dark skin and a smile for her big day, which she says was a divine instruction.
Mkwe yangu nimelipa ng'ombe 22 na
watoto wangapi? Watoto wangapi?
Na watoto 6. Mmoja amemaliza kuvoa juzi.
Sasa mtaendelea kuishi pamoja ama ataishi peke yake?
Sasa wiko naangalia maneno yake iko naendeleaje. Hakuna ndoa mbili. Lakini msiangao sana kusema hivi.
And I don't see the kind party where she do, and in fact many people come this party because of waiting say they won't see this Holy Spirit, they won't even see as this thing go be, because for the history of in fact life, I know sure say first don't marry Holy Spirit before. This one at the first time, this was supposed to even enter Guinness Book of Records, say person they marry Holy Spirit. Now this in husband, what they call Joshua Nalem, this man don't beg this wife tire. He don't beg her, say madam, why you won't go? Our pikin just finished primary 4. Who you want leave this pikin for? She na me want they take care of all these children. 6 no be one pikin no. 6 children. You want leave her for the man, say you won't go for which Holy Spirit, for God's sake? Where you for they see this Holy Spirit where you say you won't go marry? As they beg am tire, this woman no agree. This man say this thing sef even start as she go house one day, she go church, come back midnight 3 o'clock. Now so this auntie start to the fire prayer. The man come say for this kind cold weather, come sleep now. What did they pray for? Before we go see auntie don vex, pack her load, come out from the house. I don't know if na so God they even talk to people. Then I'm not sure say God they even work, because some people go just they use God name, they misbehave. Because you say God call you, Now make even mommy Gio, Pastor Adebayo wife, no dey even behave like this. You will be say they never even turn you to pastor wife finish. Now you don't dey behave like this. Anyways, this woman don comot, but before she comot, she first do her wedding. And this wedding now, Pastor Albert Murati, wey be their neighbor, na she even host this wedding gown, na she buy am. Motor wey they use, na she even buy. In fact, preparations for that day, na she buy am, because she sef she talk say she pray to God. God come tell her say make she travel go dey minister to people, but she come tell God say she no get that strength to dey travel o. This kind God wey dey talk to people, why you never talk to this thing dey surprise me. Say she no get that strength, so make God give her people wey go fit dey move. So as this woman now come out say she wan marry Holy Spirit o, and in fact na Uganda na she dey go. So she don believe say na God na him send this woman come to her, na him make her sponsor everything for this wedding. If you see the kind wedding wey dey, you see as people sef even dey celebrate with her, I come dey surprise. This Holy Spirit, in fact she don close her business. Na wetin we hear, she close her business say na God work she wan dey do. This business wey you close now, how you wan take dey chop? God go dey send them food from heaven for you? Because I no even dey understand. Abi if you pray to God, one food go just disappear, drop, God go come say, my pikin, na good morning, this morning food na be this one. My son, my daughter, your nice food na amala and gbegiri soup na I go do for you, dey prepare. God no dey work that way o. If you no work, how you wan take chop? So you wan go sit down for one place, say you go dey pray. At some point, if you no eat, you go even die. You never see person wey go do fasting saying they pray to God die. E dey happen now. So this one wey you carry church for head like this, I no understand. Your pikin now, who wan dey take care of them? You don forget say if this man now marry another person, they fit even dey maltreat your children. But as woman, you no care. You leave your pikin say you dey go follow God. Even God sef go ask you question, say this thing wey you do, e no make sense. E no make sense at all. In fact, na stupid matter. You no even join at all. As this matter be like this, make una comment o, because this kind story, I know say na sef una go see am to be something wey dey funny, because e no too make sense. Make una no forget to comment o, like and share, as I go see una for our next story.